Want to unlock new weapons fast in Doom, The Dark Ages? I've got some quick tips that will help you get those powerful guns in no time. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Complete early levels for weapon unlocks. The fastest way to unlock new weapons is to progress through the early levels. By simply playing and finishing the first few missions, you'll unlock basic weapons like the shotgun and rocket launcher, which are crucial for later battles. Step 2. Focus on secret areas and collectibles. Search for secret areas and collectibles hidden throughout the game. These often contain power-ups and weapons. By exploring each level thoroughly, you can unlock hidden weapons like the plasma rifle and super shotgun much earlier than usual. Step 3. Challenge yourself with side quests. Challenge yourself by completing side quests and optional objectives. These missions often reward you with extra weapons or upgrades. For example, defeating tougher enemies or completing time-based challenges can get you early access to heavy-hitting weapons. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Upgrade your skills to unlock more weapon slots. As you level up your character, be sure to upgrade your skills, especially those that increase your weapon slots and inventory capacity. The more slots you have, the more weapons you can carry, giving you more options in combat. Step 5. Farm enemy drops. Defeat tougher enemies in the game and look for weapon drops. Some enemies drop new and upgraded weapons, especially bosses and mini-bosses. Farming these enemies can help you unlock high-level weapons faster. That's how you can unlock new weapons fast in Doom, The Dark Ages. Play through levels, explore secret areas, complete side quests, and farm enemies for the best weapons. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.